We've got a function fx, and we're asked in part A to find out whether it's divisible by x plus 3. Okay, if x plus 3 is going to be divisible, we need to substitute x is equal to negative 3 into fx and find out whether fx equals 0. Negative 3, negative 3, negative 3 is negative 27 plus, conveniently, 27 minus 12, plus 12 minus 12, and that indeed does equal 0. So we've answered part A, and x plus 3 is a factor, and therefore fx is divisible by x plus 3. Okay, part B. I can write fx as the factor we've just taken out, x plus 3, multiplied by the general form of a quadratic, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. A and c, remember, pop out very easily by those two multiplications. Ax cubed must produce the x cubed term, so therefore a is equal to 1. And the other multiplication, I can say that 3c must equal negative 12. Therefore, c is equal to negative 4. B again, we have to do a little bit more work for. This time I'm going to equate the coefficient of the x terms. So I get negative 4x must be equal to any of these multiplications that generate x. Again, let's do them one by one. X times no, yes. Cx is one of those terms. Now multiplying by the 3, no, yes, this one here. 3bx. So I can say plus 3bx. Yet again, we can now cancel out the x, and we get negative 4 is equal to, well, c we know as negative 4 plus 3b. b must equal 0. So pulling all that together, I've got that fx must be equal to x plus 3, and now substituting a, b and c into the general form of the quadratic, we get x squared. B, remember, is 0 minus 4, and you should recognize this term here as the difference of two squares, and that will factorize very easily to x plus 3, x plus 2, x minus 2. So with room running out, they've asked us to use our knowledge to show that this expression can be written in the form of a plus b over x. This guy on the top is the same as our function here, so we can immediately write that in the form of its factors. And the bottom line, well, we can take a factor of x out, and this would give us a quadratic of x squared plus 5x plus 6. And this is equal to, a lot of copy and pasting here, divided by. Now, will this quadratic factorize easily? Yes, it will. The factors of 6, 2 times 3 will generate 6, and 2 plus 3 generates 5. So I'm fairly confident I can write this out straight away as x plus 3, x plus 2. Cancel away. As with all these questions, if it's going to simplify so much, there must be loads of cancellations to do. That indeed cancels with that, and the x plus 2 cancels with the x plus 2 on the bottom. What are we left with after that carnage? Well, we're left with x minus 2 divided by x. And that is equal to, if we split the brackets, 1 minus 2 over x, which looks very similar to what they want. So coming upwards, because I've run out of space, therefore a is equal to 1, and b, remember the sign, is equal to negative 2. And those are your answers.